Welcome to Trash Vortex synopsis a la Miss Scallon. We've got chapter 1 we're going to go through here. So we got Charles Moore, right? We learned about him. He sailed his boat, the Aguilita, from California to Hawaii. He was a big sail dude. Enjoyed that. He entered accidentally the North Pacific Ocean gyre, which is a whirlpool, and that was very scary for him. He saw lots of pieces of plastic then, all of a sudden, everywhere, like this picture, little plastics everywhere. And he was like, what the heck, man? What is a gyre? There are 11 gyres in the world's ocean, and they move seawater and everything floating in it. You can see them over here. They're just kind of like the currents. They create little whirlpools in the ocean, and it's how the stuff moves around. Plastics and gyres. The gyres create plastic bits of trash that are breaking plastic apart, like this image. They're breaking it apart so you see little bits and pieces, and they're traveling in a whirlpool and going to different places. The gyres add more and more bits of plastic to the whirlpool. Maps of microplastics. So Moore was unbelievably upset, so he decided to dedicate his whole life to figuring out what's going on here. And so researchers collected microplastics and created maps of where it is floating. Here's a map of where we have microplastics floating. The United States is a hot mess, y'all. Not good, not good. We've got a lot of microplastic. I'm not surprised, but anyway, that's what they did. Aguilita. Moore then created the Aguilita Marine Research Foundation to help clean up the ocean. By the way, if you are interested, they have all sorts of student options. Hey, you could have a summer adventure right there. And he discovered microplastic everywhere in the gyre and is now named the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. It is twice the size of Texas. I said twice the size of Texas. So, ways in this chapter, some things you really want to think about are the ways in which it is described. They use beautiful text to describe, they use descriptions that makes you really feel like you're in there and all that good stuff. And some central themes that we really want to focus on are plastic in the ocean, of course, these gyres and the whirlpools, and also the belief that if people know about this, they will make a difference. If people know enough about this, things will change. And that ends our synopsis of chapter 1. Please read the chapter again if you need to. Bye.